Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing an LED interior light swap. Got these Sylvania LEDs, got a wide variety. You're going to do all the interior lights, the overhead lights, the footwell lights, the trunk light, and the reverse lights as well. Bought this trim puller kit from Walmart, $5. Highly advise this, you don't snap any of your trim. And then you'll need a T20 Torx bit to access some of the lights. Now in another video right after this, I'm going to record it. We're going to do LED headlights and then LED fog lights, as well as daytime running light housings. These are the VLAN brand, so I'm going to be putting those in today as well. So let's get started. Just one thing to note when you guys do this, you will have a light on the dash, this one right here that you can see. That just indicates that you have a light bulb out, just because you're running LEDs, not the halogens. They pull less wattage. So 3 of them actually triggered. It was the left backup light, right backup light, and then the license plate lighting. Alright, just a quick review of what we got. You can see just how bright those reverse lights are. And I already did the license plate lights prior to this. You can see how yellow those headlights are. We'll end up swapping those out here this afternoon. Interior lights look amazing. You can see just how much brighter they are, really. Again, these overhead lights really just changed the car, really cleaned it up. And lastly, the trunk light. Alright, so if you guys got any questions, again, let me know. We're going to be rolling right into this video, putting these VLAN headlights in. Thank you again for watching.